Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics electric shaver for men. This is your standard packaging from Amazon Basics, but it conveys quite a bit of information. At the very least, you know what the product looks like. There's a nice illustration on it. It also said that there is 360-degree triple rotary shaver, also illustrated, and up to 45 minutes of cordless usage, which is pretty good. More or less the same information on this side and a massive sticker. So yeah, let's just go ahead with the unboxing. It's very confusing, but doesn't matter. Here we are. At the very top, we have a instruction manual. Read this manual carefully before installing or operating your new electric shaver. What's worth noting is the model number ABES PQ8703S. Let's take a look at the shaver. This is what the electric shaver looks like. It comes with a protective covering. This is your 360 triple rotary shaver, and let's see if this works. There's a power button is basically here, so you operate it like a trigger. So you press down and you can hear that. That's a very powerful motor. You heard that. It's a very powerful motor. There's a flap over here. Let's see what that is. This is for some. This is for when you want to do some precise trimming. There is a port for a micro USB charging cable, and I am assuming, and all in all, this is quite a sturdy looking shaver. Notice the Amazon Basics logo over here. It has this metallic finish, but it's not metallic, it's actually plastic. But regardless, it has a very good finish. There's a textured grip over here as well. I don't know if you can see this. There's a small button here. I am assuming, yes, of course. This is what you press to remove this and clean the interiors. Might I say that this part looks metallic and very shiny and looks very cool. This is a micro USB charging cable, pretty standard, and the power adapter for the same. There is also a brush cleaning tool, a cleaning brush basically, that comes with this particular package. And that's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics electric shaver for men. Thank you for watching.